Hello viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of Dill Leaves Flavoured Rice or Soppina Chitranna. Dill leaves are aromatic and flavorful and also contains vitamin A, C and magnesium. Now let us look at the ingredients. I have taken 1 bowl cooked basmati rice, 3/4 bowl of chopped dill leaves, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, little turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of groundnuts, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 3 green chilies cut into pieces, chopped ginger, little curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, juice of 1 lemon, little coriander leaves and salt to taste. Keep a kadai on stove and add oil. Oil is hot, add mustard seeds, turmeric powder, chana dal, urad dal, groundnuts, green chilies, ginger, curry leaves and fry for a minute. Add dill leaves and fry for 3 minutes. Add salt and mix. Now add cooked rice. And coriander leaves and mix well. Turn off the stove and add lemon juice, grated coconut, mix well. Sabbakki Soppina Chitranna is ready. A tasty dill leaves flavored rice is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my video.